Hey guys, today I'm going to explain the R function in Excel. Okay, so how can we understand logically and I have the three formulas. How can we solve the, depend on the multiple conditions giving. Let's get into the video. Okay, now I'm going to explain the R function in Excel. Okay, so we'll see the definition. The R function is a logical function to test multiple conditions at the same time. R returns either true or false. It's depend on the if any conditions, if we given the multiple conditions, like, so based on that, if anything is becomes true, then the answer will be true. So it is based on the the logical test one by one. So first I have the three formulas. Okay, so I have the three multiple conditions, each one. First we'll check one. For formula 1 is equal to R, press the tab button, and what is the return? Returns true if A2 is contain bananas or oranges, otherwise false. Okay, is equal to, sorry, is equal to inverted commas. Whenever you're typing alphabetics, that should be in the inverted commas. Comma and oranges also. So is equal to, okay, close the bracket, control shift up, control down. Okay, so A2 contains the bananas and oranges and cherries, because I did not given the condition about the cherries. If A2 column equal to cherries, then it will be also becomes true, because it will give the any of conditions what you given the multiple becomes true, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. Okay, now we'll test the second formula. R function, press the tab button. What is the second formula conditions? Returns if true if b2 greater than or equal to 40, greater than equal to 40, comma, c2 is greater than or equal to 20, c2 greater than equal to 20. Close the bracket. We have the only two conditions, so we'll test the formula conditions individually. For expand the formula, press control, press back quotation mark, it will be expand. So we'll test each logic individually. So I am selecting the logic 1. So it is the first logic is a false, because it is not more than the 40. And what is the second logic? C2 contains, C2 is greater than 20. So absolutely this is also false. Now it is false. Okay. Now what is the logic here? B3 greater than or equal to 40. Here it is logic 1 is a false. When you press F9, it is false. Okay, and if you select the second C3 greater than or equal to 20 is absolutely, it is equal, right? So it is true. When you press F9, it tells true or false. See, and this is a false, and this is also false, this is also false. This is true because for first logic in this is true, and the second one is this is false. So either first logic, if you, does not matter how many multiple conditions you give, if either it is one condition is true, then the result will be true. If it is one, if any condition is everything is false, then only the answer will be false, otherwise it will be true. Okay, so we'll go to the back. Okay, so now we'll test the third formula is equal to, or we have the conditions returns true if either B2 or C2 is any is a blank. Okay, otherwise false. So now equal to double quotation mark, and this one is equal to double quotational mark is equal to, close the bracket, enter. Okay, so we have the two blanks. First, in B column we have the second row, so that is the reason we have the one blank cell, right? So that is the reason it is showing the true. And in the C column we have the third row is a blank, so that is the reason it is showing the true. Remaining all false. If I remove any value from the C column, it will become true. So this is how we can explain the logically understand the OR function. Okay, thanks for watching.